During this early morning run, I actually loved it, except for the one noise that I keep hearing in my pocket, and it was actually the sound of keys jingling. Every step I take, it just keeps jingling, right? It was then that I just decided to try to solve this problem. I went into the workshop and I just basically grabbed a bolt and a nut and I clamped the keys together like that. This was the V0 that I created, and I used that for a period of at least 6 months. I was only just gonna use it for my own benefit. It stayed that way until one day I actually met up with Rex, my friend back then and my business partner now, and I actually showed him this prototype and I said, hey, let me show you one thing that I have carried in my pocket. And he had a look at it. He's like, oh, yeah, it looks a bit weird. What is this? I have no problem with my keys jingling in my pocket. But you know what I hate about my keys? I hate the fact that my keys scratch my wallet and my phone. And that's when we decided, like, you know, maybe there's something more that we could do with this solution. When I spoke to Rex, and we realized that there's actually quite a lot of other issues that we needed to solve to make this product or this prototype something that a lot of people could use. Now, like the key actually now has a really nice leather band around the keys. The most critical design change is in the design of the mechanism, which is now giving you a really nice tension around your key, and most importantly, it doesn't come loose over time. We actually had a few more things to fix with the V1, and that's when we decided that we needed to work on the V2. And the biggest change from V1 to V2 are the fact that the screw mechanism is now a lot thinner, I would say about 30% thinner, and the fact that the D-ring was scratching the edge of the leather, and now we actually have a nice D-ring with a soft edge on the inside, so it doesn't damage the leather as much. Looks great at the same time, and also coming up with a leather band that is even stronger and feel a lot better in your hand. So at this point, we got V2, which is now in circulation for over 10 years now. It's still being sold right now. We had a really good product. It's won really reputable design awards, IF Gold Design Award, and also Good Design Awards. But then we want to take it a step further. So we thought to ourselves, how can we make this even better? There are quite really subtle, minor things that we could still improve to make this product even better. We decided to fix all of those little issues with the Key Organiser Pro. There's really no other key organizers out there that is just so easy to use, so easy to assemble, and most importantly, it just improves the user experience when you're trying to access your key. And for all of those functionalities, we're trying to package it in a really beautiful form factor and something that just feels like a high quality goods when you hold it in your hand. Every interaction, including the thumb screw, it gives you that little tactile feeling as if you're turning a crown of a luxury watch. I still feel it's such a genius design. And this quick flip tool, I just feel like it's such a genius engineering, genius design. Every little things that most people don't even care about or notice, we want to make sure that it's done right. It's almost perfect.